पिण्डप्रवरारुद्धा चण्डकोपासकर्युता प्रसादं तनुति मह्यं चन्द्रघण्टेति विश्रुता सुरा सम्पूर्णकलशं रुधिरालुप्तमेव च दधाना हस्तपद्माभ्यां पुष्पाण्डाश्वदास्तु मे सिंहासनगता नित्यं पद्माश्रितं करद्वया शिवरास्तु सदा देवी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी चन्द्रसा सुज्वलकरा शार्दूलं वरवाहना कात्यायनी शुभमङ्गला देवी दानवघातिनी एकवेणी जपाकर्णा पूरा नग्ना करासिता लंबोष्टी कर्णिका कर्णी तैलाभ्यनक्तशरीरणी वामपालो रसद्रोह लताकण्टकभूषणा वदन्मूर्धध्वजा कृष्ण कालरात्रि भयङ्करी श्वेतिवृषि समारुद्धा श्वेताम्बरधरा शुचि महागौरी शुभं दद्यां महादेवं प्रमोददाम् सिद्धगन्धर्वयक्षां अग्रैश्वरवैरमैरपि श्रीमानां सदा भूयात् सिद्धिदा सिद्धिदायिनी इति श्रीनो दुर्गा स्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम् या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। प्रेम तुलसी जगदम्बा माता की ओम जगत पूजे जगदे सर्वशक्ति सुमिति पूजा प्रहार सुमिति नमस्ते श्रीप्रियम श्री शैलपुत्री माता की जय। त्रिपुरां त्रिपुराधारा माम ज्ञानं स्वरूपिणी त्रैलोक्यहितां देवीं त्रिकोटिं पूजयाम्यहम्। ओम श्री ब्रह्मचारिणी माता की कालिकां तुकातीतां कल्याणां शिवां कल्याणी पूज्यां श्री चंद्रघंटा माता की जय। अनिमानी गुरुरारा मकार का चक्षम अनंत शक्ति वीरांतां कामाक्षी पूज्यां श्री कुष्मांडा माता की चंद्रवीरां चंद्रमाया चंद्रमुंडा प्रभांतरीं तामामि देवीशं चंडिकां पूज्यां श्री स्कंद माता की कारणं करिशांतां सर्वदेवैर्वस्कृतां सर्वदामिकां देवीं शाम्भवीं पूज्यां श्री कात्यायनी माता की चंद्रवीरा चंद्रमाया रक्तबीजाभ्रांतरीं तामामि शिवगायत्रीं पूज्यां श्री कालरात्रि माता की कारणं करिशांतां सर्वदेवैर्वस्कृतां सर्वदामिकां शाम्भवीं पूज्याम्यहं श्री महागौरी माता की दुर्गमे दुष्टै काली वैदुर्गविनाशिनी पूजामया सदा भक्त्या दुर्गा दुर्गविनाशिनी सिद्धिदात्री माता की जय। ओम श्री हरिओम करकलकपालं कुण्डलिदण्डपाणिं करुणतिमिरव्यालं यज्ञोपवीतिं करतो समया सर्वया विघ्नविचेरहितमी जय श्री सारदां श्रीमद भैरवाय नमः स्वाहा स्वाहा। भैरव भगवान की जय। मनोज्योतिर्दिष्टामा गच्छां भ्रष्टविष्टाय यज्ञापं च विरन्दराज विष्पृष्टायां श्री आयमणिं चामुण्डाय दुर्गाय गंगारी सर्वतीर्थेभ्यो मया प्रार्थना तुमिता सुगं स्पर्शन् पार्याटं प्रतिगृहीराम्। ओम जाहवितु यारितं शुभं कर्पूरसहितं स्नापयामि सुष्ठुतं पुरातरां श्री जलस्नानं समर्पयामि। अम्बे जय जगदम्बे मां मे मां जगदम्बे मां जलस्नानं च समर्पयामि। ओम श्री दुर्गा माताय नमः। या गच्छं या तिष्ठं सुवृत्तभवनं पूजागृहाणाम्। संपत्ति प्रतिफलं धानं बहुमूढति नेत्रालारकरं सुपादकसितं सर्वाङ्गशोभाकरं दुर्गे प्रीतमना भवतवकृते पूर्वे सुनीराजनम् आदौ देवी दते चुतस्वपरे त्वं ज्योतिषा भाससे कृष्णेन मम मानसे बहुविलास्वाचाचरे तुङ्गते प्रारब्धानि कृतानि यानितरान् पापानि विनाशय दुर्गे प्रीतमना भवतो कृते कुर्वे सुनीराजनम् नाभवति प्रदे न केशतनये त्वद्भावविभाकृते तेन प्रीतमना नमां सुतरां याचिष्मि कामनां शान्ति भूतदिग्वैर्भातुकरणे विशेषोऽख्यं सदा दुर्गे प्रीतमना भवतो कृते कुर्वे सुनीराजनम् अम्बे जय जगदम्बे मातो मंगलसारिकेश्वतनो ते सप्तपृथ्वीधरे कस्मादीन बहु जगत्तिरतकरं सञ्चायति सन्मः तद्भासा विवरं प्रयासमितं दुःखानि सर्वाणि दुर्गे प्रीतमना भवतो कृते कुर्वे सुनीराजनम् ॐ आयुष्मन्तं चामुण्डाय विद्ये श्री हरिन्दुं दुर्गाय नमः हरि ओम श्री दुर्गाय नमः त्वमेव सर्वजननी मूलप्रकृतिरीश्वरी त्वमेवाजा सृष्टिमिरा स्वेच्छाया त्रिगुणात्मिका कार्याटे सगुणा त्वचं वस्तुतो निर्गुणा सूर्यं प्रभृं स्वरूपा त्वं सत्या विद्या सनातनी तेजस्वरूपा परमा भक्तानुप्रविग्रह सर्वस्वरूपा सर्वेशा सर्वधारा परात्परा सर्वबीजस्वरूपा च सर्वपूज्या निराश्रया सर्वज्ञा सर्वतोभद्रा सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गला सर्वबुद्धि ओम सर्वबुद्धि स्वरूपा च सर्वशक्ति स्वरूपिणी सर्वज्ञानप्रदा देवी सर्वज्ञा सर्वभाविनी त्वं स्वाहा देवदानि च पृथ्वीदानि स्वधा स्वयं दक्षिणा सर्वदानि च सर्वशक्ति स्वरूपिणी निद्रा त्वं चार्या त्वं च तृष्णा त्वं च पुनःप्रिया तुक्षान्ति शान्ति च कान्ति सृष्टि च सुरीं श्रद्धा पुष्टिस्तथा चन्द्रा च लज्जा शुभार्यार्था कदां सम्पत्स्वरूपा जय विपत्तिरसतामः तेति रूपा पुण्यवतां पापिनां ग्रहांकरा चस्वक्रमे शक्ति सबरासुरजीविनां श्री दुर्गायै नमः चिदवक्षा कजलनमं शिवकेशु शांतकालिके तत्पुरुषोदयप्रणाम कविलंका समर्पयामि अम्बे जय जगदम्बे रंजिता कौतुमोदीना असिता चारुना हमेशा प्रसन्ना भव शुभनी अम्बे जय जगदम्बे मां अम्बे मां जगदम्बे ॐ सौभाग्यसूत्रप्रदे स्मरणसन्निधे कण्ठे बध्नामि देवी श्री सौभाग्यं देवी सदा अम्बे जय अम्बे जय जय मां अम्बे मां भूषणं स्वर्व्यां श्रीनो दुर्गामात्राय नमः रञ्जिता कुङ्कुमोचिना अक्षता शासना मेषानि व्यागिना प्रसन्ना भवतुनि ॐ पत्रं समर्पयामि श्री अम्बे जय अम्बे जय जगदम्बे मां शांगं दुबलं धूपं चंद्राकृसितं सुमधुना भक्त्या पूजाटं प्रतिगृहीरां धूपं समर्पयामि अम्बे जय जय जगदम्बे मां ॐ प्रकृतिसंयुक्तं महाकेतुमहोदरं दीपं दास्यामि sing Durga Chalisa.
सिंहवारी शक्ति माता की जय। प्रेम से बोलो नौ दुर्गे माता की जय। My humble Sitaram, I pranam as we join together once again and glorify Adi Shakti Ma. We group our voices as we glorify Ma in this Sri Mahadurga Chalisa. The words are very simple. Jayambe, Jay Ambe Ma. Jayambe, Jagadambe Ma. Jayambe, Jagadambe. Everyone. Jayambe, Jagadambe Ma. Jayambe. Jayambe, Jayambe Ma. महिषासुरनिग्रहते प्रेम से बोलो आदि शक्ति माता की जय। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। Everyone has to glorify आदि शक्ति माँ। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
ओ दुर्गे मैया, दुर्गे मैया, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
दुर्गे मैया, दुर्गे मैया, मैं तो आसन बैठाऊं दुर्गे मैया। ओ माँ,
मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो पैसा चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। भवानी मैया, मैं तो कानू चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। ओ मैया, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी।
मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो सिंदूर दिखाऊं देवी मैया। ओ शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो सिंदूर दिखाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो हल्दी दिखाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो चंदन दिखाऊं देवी मैया।
पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो दीप जलाऊं देवी मैया। ओ माँ,
शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो दीप जलाऊं दुर्गे मैया।
दुर्गे मैया, ओ लक्ष्मी मैया, मैं तो साड़ी चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। ओ दुर्गे मैया, ओ लक्ष्मी मैया, मैं तो साड़ी चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया।
मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो चंदा उड़ाऊं देवी मैया। ओ माँ, ओ शक्ति मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो आरती उतारूं देवी मैया। ओ माँ,
मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा कराऊं दुर्गे मैया।
ओ दुर्गे मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो आरती उतारूं देवी मैया।
दुर्गे मैया, भवानी मैया, मैं तो आरती उतारूं दुर्गे मैया।
मैं तो नारियल चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो नारियल चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो होमा चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो होमा चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो बलिदान चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो बलिदान चढ़ाऊं देवी मैया। मैं तो पूजा करूंगी, मैं तो पूजा करूंगी,
तेरे हुआ चलाऊंगी ब्यूटीफुल हमारा बनाऊंगी ब्यूटीफुल हमारा बनाऊंगी नमो कालवैरो नमो कालवैरो नमो कालवैरो देवाली नमो कालवैरो नमो कालवैरो नमो कालवैरो देवाली
जय जय भवानी जय जय भवानी जय जय माता जय जय भवानी जय जय भवानी जय जय माता काली नमो कालवैरो देवो देवो भवानी नमो कालवैरो देवो देवो भवानी जय जय भवानी जय जय भवानी
जय जय माता काली
जय जय भवानी जय जय भवानी
जय जय माता काली
जय जय हो मैया अम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे मैया माँ जय जय हो मैया अम्बे मैया
जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे मैया
तेरा वाली हो माँ हो तेरा वाली हो माँ हो तेरा वाली हो माँ तेरा वाली हो माँ
शेरावाली जोतावाली पटवाली माई ओ जय जय
जय भवानी जय जय भवानी
मैया माँ जगदम्बे
जय जय हो मैया अम्बे मैया ओ तू ही दुर्गा तू ही काली तू भवानी माता रानी के तू ही दुर्गा तू ही काली तू भवानी माता रानी माँ तू ही दुर्गा तू ही काली तू ही अम्बे माता रानी अम्बे भवानी माँ जय जय भवानी माँ
जय जय हो मैया अम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया अम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे
तू ही लक्ष्मी शारदे माँ तू ही गौरी गंगे मैया माँ तू ही लक्ष्मी शारदे माँ तू ही गौरी गंगे मैया तू ही लक्ष्मी तू ही शारदा तू ही गौरी गंगे मैया अम्बे रानी माई जय जय भवानी माँ बोल माँ तेरा वाली हो माँ वाली हो माँ तेरा वाली हो माँ जोता वाली हो माँ तेरा वाली जोता वाली पगला वाली तेरा वाली हो माँ जोता वाली हो माँ तेरा वाली हो माँ जोता वाली हो माँ पगला वाली बोल माँ
जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे
बोल माँ
जय जय हो मैया अम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया माँ जगदम्बे मैया जय जय हो मैया माँ
जगदम्बे मई प्रेम से बोलो आदि शक्ति माता की
जय
थैंक यू
Take flowers, devotees now we should concentrate on Ma. Recite his prayers. Om Aim Ring Ting चामुण्डायै विद्ये ॐ देवी त्वं वत्सुरभिः सर्वकालविधायिनी कलौ विकासविराटमुपायं गुरुजनर देव्योवाच शृणुवां प्रवक्ष्यामि कलौ सर्वेषु साधनम् मया दृष्टेराकिं वा त्रिकाच्यं श्रीदुर्गा सप्तोत्तरमन्त्रस्य नारायणस्मृतिपाचण्डा श्रीमहालक्ष्मी महाकाली महासरस्वतीव्रतां श्रीदुर्गा प्रीत्यसरस्वतीर्विनापाविनियोगः ॐ ज्ञानमावकेतां श्रीं देवी भगवतीता बलादा कृष्णमोहाया महामाया प्रकृति दुर्गे स्फुटा महर्षि भीष्मचेतजन्तो स्वस्ता मतिमतिं सुरंधरा सिंह दारिद्र्य दुख भयहारिकासुरन्या स्वरूपकार्यनाय सदाचित्तां सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमस्ते शरणागतिनाथं परित्राणं परायणे सर्वस्यास्ते देवी नारायणी नमस्ते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्ति समन्विते भयवित्रायिणी देवी दुर्गे देवी नमस्ते रोगानशीशानमहन्ति दुष्टा दुष्टाकामान् सकलानभीष्टान् समासितामान् पुनराणां समासिताः शेतां भयान्ति सर्वाबाधा प्रशमनं तर्कस्याखिलेश्वरी देवया त्वा कर्मसर्वविनाशनम् ॐ श्रीनो दुर्गाय नमः ॐ नमस्ते रुद्ररूपिण्यै नमस्ते मनमाटिनी नमस्ते भाविन्यै नमस्ते महिषालिनी नमस्ते शिवन्ते चारिशुम्भा जागतनिमा देवी शिवं सिद्धं पुरुषमे ऐङ्कारिशुद्रूपाय ह्रीङ्कारि प्रतिकपालिका क्लीङ्कारि कामरूपिण्यै भीरूपे नमस्ते चामुण्डा चण्डकारि च यैकारि वदायिनी विद्ये च विधानित्य नमस्ते मन्त्ररूपिणी धां धिं धूं रूपिणे पत्नी वां विं वुं वागधीश्वरी क्रां क्लीं क्लूं कारिकारि चां शिं शुं मे शुभं कुरु हुं हुंकारूपिणे जं 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 जमामि ह्रां ह्रीं ह्रूं हरिभृते भवन्ति नमः अङ्कं चं तं चं पं जं जं शं भिं भुं ऐं ह्रीं चं जागं श्रोत्रय श्रोत्रय सुमित्रं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा ॐ भां भिं भुं भावति पुनः कां किं भुं किरा सां सिं सुश्रुतिदिव्यां श्रुतिं पुरुषमे इदं तु पुनिका सूत्रं मन्त्रजागतिः चवि अभक्तिर्वदातव्यं योगितं रचिपागति यस्तु पुनिकादेवी हीनां सुकृतिं कृष्णाचे सिद्धन्येरुदयिता इति श्रीदुर्गामणिं गौरसन्तं श्रीशिवाकुमारे पुनिका सूत्रं सम्पूर्णम् या देवी सर्वभूतेषु माता रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमः नमो दिव्यै महादिव्यै शिवाय सत्य नमः नमः प्रकृते भद्रादिता प्रदास्वरां रुद्राय नमो नित्याय गौरीहाते नमो नमः ज्योत्स्नाय चन्द्रोपिन्यै सुखाय सत्य नमः कल्याणे प्रदां बुद्धि सिद्धि पूर्वो नमो नमः नैऋत्य उल्टां लक्ष्मै शर्माण्यै नमो नमः दुर्गाय दुर्गपालाय साराय सर्वकारिणे ज्ञाते तत्र कृष्णाय गुणाक्षय सत्य नमः अति सौम्याग्रौग्राय तस्यै नमो नमः नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठाय विद्याकृत्यै नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमाय ऋषभिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चेतृत्या विधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षुधारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु छायारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कृष्णारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु क्षान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु जातिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लज्जारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु श्रद्धारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु वृत्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु स्मृतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दयारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु तुष्टिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु भ्रान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः इन्द्रियाणां अधिष्ठात्रे भूतानां चाकरेषु या भूतेषु सत्यं तस्य ज्ञातव्ये नमो नमः इति रूपेण या कृष्णमेतदाभ्यं सदा जगत् नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः सुतासुरै पूर्णभीतरत्या अट्टासुरेन्द्रेन्द्रेषु सेविता करोतु सा नाशुभहेतुरीश्वरी शुभानि भद्राणि मिहन्तु च परा या सामृतं चौरिता सिदापिते तस्माभिरीशा न सुनैव नमस्यति या चास्मिता तक्षणमेव हन्ति न सर्वापरो भक्ति विनम्रमूर्तिभिः ॐ प्रेम सुजलम्मा माता की जय. So devotees, once again we want to extend a very hearty welcome to our village this evening, joining us for this fortnight of Navaratri. It is a blessing for all of us to be here, to participate in the puja, to extend our love and our salutations to the lotus feet of Ma. We want to thank our Shrutas, Dr. Meena Ji, and our Madhav, Rana, and his family, with this on weekend. For sponsors this evening's puja, pray that we Durga Ma will bless them continuously, and all of us who are present here to be part of this puja as well. There's so much to speak about the Devi. There's no amount of words prove adequate to describe her infinite glories. You can't describe the infinite by the finite. It's impossible. Because she the creator of words. Language comes from her. So her glory is so fathomable, so incomprehensible that no amount of words we use to fully understand and describe the powers, the limitless powers and glories of Ma. Nonetheless, according to our limited intellect and ability, I get an understanding of what Ma means, represents in the world. 100 years ago, and prior to that, the female was not given much consideration in the world. You're not very popular people because the world, up to that point, was dominated by males. Every ruler of every country was a male. The cabinet was comprised of males also. In key positions in government, males occupied those positions. For example, the king was the one who ruled. In the case of India, the Maharajas were the one who ruled. We find that rulers were males. Now that changed when the puja to the Divine Mother became very popular. And as time evolved, mankind began to wake up to understand that the true power is responsible for creation, for position, for accomplishment, achievement, all that we aspire in life. The power is feminine and not necessarily masculine. This is called the Shakti. The Shakti is detailed in the Srimad Devi Bhagavatam, which is an entire text on the important scriptures of Sanatana Dharma that deals with the worship of the feminine aspect of God. From time immemorial, as Hindus, we've been praying, Tumeva Mata Shapida Tumeva, Tumeva Bandhu Jasaka Tumeva. In many traditions, God is seen as a male deity, like our Father, our Almighty Father. For us, God is first mother, then father. Tumeva Mata Shapida Tumeva. When you pray, first your mother, then father. See the sequence? Your mother, then father, not father, then mother. Tumeva Mata Shapida Tumeva. When you greet each other, Jai Sita Ram, Sita first, then Ram. See the feminine. Yeah. Can we do that just now? I'm not going to interrupt. Just one second. Yeah. Should have done that earlier. Okay. That's fine. They have a gardening ceremony just now. So you incorporate that in there. So, my dear brothers and sisters, as Hindus, we prioritize the motherhood or motherly aspect of God. To be a mother should be done to be. So the Shakti is divided in many parts. The Shakti is called Parashakti, it's called Gyan Shakti, it's called Ichha Shakti, it's called Kriya Shakti, it's Kundalini Shakti, Mantra Shakti. All of these are different aspects of the Shakti. And when you examine this power divided in these various sections, we realize that in order for any human being to accomplish anything in life, you need the combination of these powers. For example, Durga Ma represents Kriya Shakti, the power of action. Saraswati Ma represents Gyan Shakti, the power of knowledge. Lakshmi Ma represents Ichha Shakti, the willpower, the power of will. How does it work? If you want to go from point A to point B, you want to travel from here to Manhattan, for example. First of all, there must be a desire that enters the mind. See, a thought that comes to you, that desire that becomes the Ichha, the Shakti, that Ichha, the will, that tells you that I must go there. So, that thought that enters the mind there is called Ichha Shakti. Now, that thought alone can't get you there. You need other things. You need other components of the Shakti to get you there. So what do you need? You need, secondly, to know how to get there. You got to know which train will take you there, or which road will take you there, or which bus will take you there, or which bridge will take you there, right? The case may be. If you don't know how to get there, then you will spend an entire year looking for it, you can't find it. So that's Gyan Shakti. So first Ichha Shakti there, supplied by Lakshmi Ma. Then we need Saraswati Ma to provide the knowledge of how to get there. But again, the willpower, the desire to get there, plus knowledge to get there, alone won't get you there either. Unless you possess the Kriya Shakti. The Kriya Shakti is the energy now, the power of action, that energy that will enable you to get off that chair, to hop into your car, or to hop on the train, or into a bus, and to physically transport you from where you are until you arrive at your destination. So that energy is supplied by Durga. So this is how it works, you see. Ichha Shakti, Gyan Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Mantra Shakti. Mantra Shakti is power in the mantras. Now when you, for example, you meditate the Gayatri Mantra, for example. Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Yo Yona Prachoryat. When you meditate on that mantra, there is power in the mantra. The power is there in the mantra. And then that power is unleashed when you go into deep meditation. And with the unleashing of the power, it permeates your entire being. Every cell of the body becomes energized. The mind becomes energized. Intellect becomes energized as well. The mind suddenly becomes very fertile. The imaginative power stretches beyond horizons. And that spiritual illumination dawns upon you with the awakening of that Shakti through the power of the mantra. So these mantras, we should not see them as mere words. The energy is contained in those words. The energy needs to be awakened through this process of meditation. That is why when the Guru initiates the Shishya and he gives that Shishya Guru mantra and you meditate deeply in that Guru mantra, the energy awakens from that mantra. That is mantra Shakti. Kundalini Shakti. Kundalini Shakti is the energy, spiritual energy that lies in these chakras of the body. If you study the Kundalini science, you know that at the base of the spine is the Moola heart chakra. The chakras are the energy centers in the body along the spine. And these energy centers, through meditation again, see these open, the chakras open. And it rises, the energy rises through all of these centers, through all these chakras, until it arrives here in the brain, Sahasrara. See? And that resembles the spread hood of a serpent. That is why you see the one Shiva, that serpent around his neck. The snake is not only for an ornament. It's not like he loves snake towards an ornament. It represents something. It's a spiritual energy that is awake through this process of meditation. And that is a Kundalini Shakti. That Shakti, that energy when it rises. Now, when you see you can manipulate this energy, people can use this energy now to perform miracles. Miracles you can possibly even do when you manage to harness this energy, this latent in the body. You see, in this mandir here, I told this story before, but you must hear it again, and those who didn't hear it. Right here, miracles happen. Right here, this mandir. Miracles happen right here. Swami Ganapati Satchidanand came here. Swami Ganapati Satchidanand is the head of the Jai Gurudatta movement, the Trimurti. So he came here when his mandir just opened. 2000, the same year 2000 came here, 21 years ago. And when he came here, it was a Monday evening. Nobody thought this mandir would have a lot of people. And when he came here, I came later on. The president was here also, and some, I don't know how many of you were here then. But when he came here, I'm just telling you how this energy works. And he sat on the same seat. The seat was over there, facing this way. Everyone was sitting and watching, facing this direction. And he was giving his lecture. Then I came and I was sitting in the back there. And then the Swami invoked this energy, this powers. And he plucked one flower that was on the garland around his neck. He took the flower, and in front of the eyes of all of us, he never sleeps, he's sleepless. So don't, think or doubt whether, this is tricks. Not a magician. He's a realized soul, Jivan Mukta. And in front of the eyes of all of us, he just crushed this flower. And the old flower became ashes. The flower disappeared, became ashes, vibhuti. And they collected that, washed his hand and distributed it to everyone. Then he just waved his hand like that. And then he produced a Rudraksh bead from nowhere. It appeared. And he called the president and gave it to him. I don't know if he still has it. Yeah. And that's the black Rudraksh bead he gave to him. And then now he's looking there and he saw me sitting there. And I didn't know who he was, he didn't know who I was, but he knew who I was, obviously. I didn't know, we never met before. And then he signaled for me to come. And I came up, and he took the shawl that he had around him, and he placed it around me, and told me to keep on doing the work. And I still have the shawl, because it's blessed. Now, for other devotees, manifest things like gold chains and all these things, and Joel usually give it to them like that. Now, he's not a magician, but you see, the Siddhi Yoga, Siddhi, Hanuman said, Ashta Siddhi, now Nidikita, the Siddhi, spiritual powers you get through this energy. See, when you can tap into this inexhaustible fountain of energy, the spiritual energy, you tap into that fountain of energy, and you become, and you're able to manipulate this energy. You see, you can just think of something and it appears.
You break the miracle in two hands. Tell the story about
And the event is a miracle survivor. Yes. The Lord blessed her. The Lord blessed her. So these things are for real. And how can you not believe when you see it with your eyes? You don't have to doubt anymore. There's not a matter you came here. We were talking about her yesterday. She was from Trinidad. She passed away now. This Monday was just open. We had 7 days yesterday down here. And I was at Thames, and Auntie Gina said, come see something. And I rushed downstairs here. And there was this lady, and she goes suddenly into some trance. And she is totally unaware. She doesn't know where she is anymore. She's not in her normal state of mind anymore. And she goes through these episodes. And as she was in this state, I just heard like a faint noise, like cry like emitting from her. And then this is when, the manifestation comes to her. And from her hand, the sindoor hit the floor. Sindoor. And you smell it in the scent, so nice. And we collected it in a spot paper. She had no clue what was happening to her. She just appeared. Quite a bit of sindoor just flowing from her hand here. Which we saw, I saw. Now, how are you going to explain these things? Science cannot explain it. There are many things science cannot explain. They just baffle. They say that you don't know. You can't explain it. Because higher than, beyond science is His power. This is the power that created science in the first place. That is Shakti of God. Shakti of God. So when you meditate the Mother Mary sisters, you get a Shakti. Incurable diseases become cured. In the story of Auntie Evelyn, and Mendel requested me to speak the story. Auntie Evelyn, one day she went to, you all know her, is there anybody who doesn't know Auntie Evelyn? She went to the puja and she was singing and then she was coughing up blood after that. And she decided to go to the hospital. She went to her doctor recommended her to go to LIG. She went to LIG hospital. They did all the tests and everything, imaging, and they told her that she had a leaking valve for her heart. It was leaking. And she needed urgent open heart surgery to correct that valve. So the surgery was set for the next following Tuesday. So they have her. Actually, they were going to do the surgery right away, but she had a fever. And because of the fever, you cannot pray with a fever, because fever means you have an infection. So they gave her antibiotics and scheduled for the following week. So we went and we prayed. Remember, you were there too. She prayed too. You did the miracle, remember? Yeah. So we prayed for her, and we prayed and said, keep the faith, everything will be fine, don't worry. She was scared, said, don't worry, it'll be fine. And then, the day before the surgery, They went, they did a test all over again, and they saw nothing. So these doctors now, they're very baffled. They're comparing now the initial test versus this most recent one. And they're two different tests altogether. They're two different patients. So they said to her, so what are you doing? You have to go home. And Dr. Braver was going to operate on her. And God rest his soul, he died in a plane crash after a couple years ago. He was one of the greatest surgeons in hospital. So these things happen. You can't explain it. You can't explain it. All you can say is, Jai Ma, glory to Mother, glory to the Lord. Ma, she makes all this happen. I'm sure you have your personal experiences as well. It may not be a physical problem in your life, it may not be a disease or an illness, it could be other problems. You have to worry about other things, problems with job, problems with relationship, problems with finances, in other areas. And you've prayed sincerely to Mom, and you've seen how Mom has come through. Can you all relate? Anybody relate? You all have an experience, anybody? Is anyone who never had an experience here? I've had it so many times.
As soon as I walk in the mandir, I got energy.
Yeah.
Blessing Shakti.
Yes. So you have to have the faith, my brothers and sisters. Have the faith. And my prediction is my prediction. Mom is going to work on miraculous powers, and this COVID issue is going to eventually become destroyed. That's all of us want for our world and our lives to return to normal again. Because right now, this COVID is taking this whole world hostage. And what is it? Everybody wear a mask and have, so it's curtailed what you can do. It's limited. It's not a good feeling. And especially those who get sick, as you lost so many loved ones, and people still getting sick, people still dying from it. We're not out of the woods yet. The vaccine is a hope. H-O-P-E. The hope. We're hoping it's going to work. It's going to work for new variants of the virus. So they think that these things mutate. So, but through the powers of Mom, she destroyed Rectal Beach. Rectal Beach was that demon. He had special powers. That every drop of blood that came out of his body was able to create a new Rectal Beach. A second and the third one, and fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, equally strong and powerful as the original Rectal Beach. So when Ma is fighting his demon in the battlefield now, because of his boon, his blood oozed out of his body, millions and billions of Rectal Beaches suddenly appeared. And now there was a challenge, quite a challenge, how to destroy this demon. And there, from her brow, she invoked Mahakali. And Kali Ma appears. And she commands Kali Ma to spread her giant tongue in the surface of the earth and to absorb all these drops of blood that came out of this demon so that he could stop multiplying himself. And there, Mahakali Ma did the job. And crushed everything, was pulverized, chariots and everything. And Rectal Beach was later destroyed. This COVID is like Rectal Beach. See, clone himself, new variants coming out, mutating himself all the time. That's what it is. So, with the powers of Ma, when she waves her hand, she works miraculous powers, and this will become history. Eventually, the world cannot, our world cannot afford to live in a situation like this. For how long? We want a healthy world for our grandchildren, great-grandchildren, the next generation. And for ourselves too. So this is the time, my dear brothers and sisters. This is the time, this very auspicious time of the year, as we commence this brand new year. Auspicious time of the year for us to pray to Ma and to reiterate our faith in her. This is the time when she comes true for all of us good devotees. And we're not praying for ourselves in this Monday here this evening. We're not praying for this community alone, we're praying for the entire world. The world needs her direct intervention as we speak. And her power is readily available to all, to everyone. So one of the things that she destroys, one of the enemies that she destroys from our lives, when she says she's Bhai-Harini, Bhai-Harini means she who destroys this enemy, powerful enemy, that is called a spectral thing. F-E-A-R. Fear. There is no enemy like fear. Now, because of fear, why do they come to him again? Because they're afraid they get COVID and they're going to die. Fear. You know what is fear? False evidence appearing real. False evidence, they look real, so you're afraid. That's fear. Now, my dear brothers and sisters, don't entertain fear. Entertain faith. It's faith versus fear. And if faith and fear have a battle, which one do you think will win? But that's faith will win only if you harbor that faith. But if you entertain fear, then you will lose. So she destroyed that fear. And if you have faith in Mom, you won't have fear. All of you who are here tonight, you're here because you didn't have fear. You have faith. Your faith brought you to this place. And that's the kind of faith we must continue to cultivate, my dear brothers and sisters. That is the faith that will see us through dark days, dark times, hard times, and going to restore the world back to normalcy. That's the faith that all of us need when we pray tomorrow. So, this evening is indeed another wonderful night for us all to assemble in Mandir and to pray to Mother once again. We have beautiful puja here, just down. You feel the energy of the puja in the seat. I could feel the energy we perform here. And we pray that the Ma's blessings be with all of us. Pray to Jagadamba Mata Ki. Now, our Bahim Meena ji and her better half, you know, she's very busy on Facebook these days. She's a Facebook star. Oh yeah. And you see her in pujas, you see her on her vacations, on her trips and everything. Now, she doesn't go alone, she goes with her half. So both of them, they are enjoying their life to the fullest. And that was what meant to be enjoyed. Yeah. You see her party too? Oh yeah. Yeah, don't see it. Everything is on Facebook. If you want to keep it a secret, you can keep it a secret. Everybody knows. But importantly, I want you to put your hands together. Both of you please stand. Both of you please stand. May I rather please stand? Yeah. I want you to put your hands together and give us a couple of nice rounds of applause. Because this past Tuesday, they celebrated their 40th wedding anniversary. Glory to you. And for this, I'm going to ask both of you to go back in time 40 years ago, and just like you did 40 years ago, you're going to repeat it again tonight. And the bride garlands the groom. Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
Hey, Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
Sita, Sita, Sita,
Groom garlands the bride. Ram se milane, ho Ram se milane.
Ram se milane, oh Ram se milane.
Ram se milane, ho Ram se milane.
Ram se milane,
Oh Ram se milane.
Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
Hey, Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
Sita, 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 Ram se milane.
See everybody. after, this bond is stronger than ever. It's not that was tied 40 years ago. It's now become unbreakable, inseparable. And we want to wish both of you, Bhagwan's wishes, mass blessings for another 40 years in good health. 40 years, yes. Yeah. Om Yanikan Papan Janmantam Kuchang Paripuriyam Prakshanam Samudhyam. But I must say, you're not going to find a man like this gentleman here. You're going to search the whole world. Yeah. True, you can't find another like you. For all of your work, you can't find one like you. So, you are unique and blessed by the Lord. Yeah, blessed by the Lord. Yeah. We want to welcome our Mahindi Jenny and our Mahindi who come all the way from Long Beach to be here. And you know, when you talk about mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, you wouldn't find a team like this yet.
Then Jenny says she'll come up and the tune out, the drop everything.
Yeah. And the same thing she does when you tell her. Yes. So this is a very, very unique, very special team. And you all are a good example, the best example to every mother-in-law, daughter-in-law in American history. This is how you, mother and daughter, and I always admire you too. And you know, your relationship and the bond between you. So we will conclude in a few moments because you know we want to stick to time. Every night we finish before 10. And we want to keep it that way before we do the Aarti. So you know, just quickly, tomorrow our Navratri celebration continues. We have sponsors every night now until Ram Navami. We needed 4 or 5 and everybody came on board. So tomorrow it continues same time. Again, it continues on Saturday and Sunday. Kanya Puja will be on Tuesday, the 20th. And the 21st will be Ram Navami in the morning. We're going to, the final day of Navratri, so Durga Puja in the morning also. We start early, and then we'll have our Ram Navami Puja sponsored by Puranji and his family as they do every year. So this is our itinerary between now and the end of this Navratri celebration. So please spread the word and continue to join us for these nights. It's very special. We didn't get this chance last year at this time. The mandirs were closed. The mandirs are open now. There's no excuse for not coming now. Don't be afraid. Nobody in this mandir, and I say it very boldly, nobody in this mandir, ever since this mandirs were reopened after lockdown, nobody ever got sick with COVID. Because all of you are here, you follow the rules, you social distance, you wear your mask, and we take the precautions. So we never overcrowded, as you can see. Legally, we can have 140 people legally in this mandir, 50% of our capacity. So please, there's no reason for not to come to the mandir. Please join us, continue to join us as we continue celebrating the Navratri. I'd like to ask Rabbi Jenny to do the bhajan for us. We don't want to live on the beach, so let's get a nice warm bhajan for this for this season here. And of course, I think your mother-in-law will chorus you as well. You can listen to this dream team.